Hi guys, just here from TAP. Just wanted to share a bit of a problem some of our members have been caught with recently. Just referring to in particular a Land Rover Discovery, 2012 model, and in replacing of the fuel filter. So it's a serviceable item, but quite a few guys have been caught replacing the fuel filter and then ending up with troubles with the actual fuel filter warning in regards to too much moisture or water catchment in the fuel filter. So this particular case is 2012 3-litre twin turbo common rail diesel, and again replacing of the fuel filter. So once you get the fuel filter out, it's obviously in the fuel tank as per in the fuel system, and again once you remove it, the top section of it comes off for you to replace the actual fuel filter below. The guys are having trouble once it's back together that it's actually the top section after it's been manipulated and pulled apart that you end up having trouble with the wiring. So the main wiring comes into the top of the actual fuel filter and then goes into the filter for the water trapment warning. And again, once this wiring is disturbed, we're finding that it starts to fail. So even with fitting genuine filters, etc., the top section starts to fail because you're manoeuvring it to replace the bottom filter side of it. So again, just using general parts, just be wary of that. It might be worth pricing up the top of the filter as well when you're replacing it, as per a couple of members have been caught with this. So just something to keep in mind when you're pricing up a fuel filter replacement for these Land Rovers, that you might consider actually replacing that top section of the filter at the same time, as guys have been caught with those failing once you get it back together again. Hopefully that'll help you out for some of our members. It is a repair solution already in our system. So again, we've got a link of the actual repair solution number on this Facebook post. Maybe worth having a look at. If you are a member, make sure you're looking at those repair solutions if you come up against any quirky problems. See you next time.